What up though? BLAKC Crypto, and I'm back with some cash coin currency where we trying to get more cash, more coin, and more currency. What kind of currency we trying to get, Black? Well, you know that cryptocurrency, and today I guess I'm gonna look at Ethereum and then see what we're gonna expect for these upcoming days and this week to follow. We are expecting some negative news from the macro environment. Jerome Powell and the Fed are announcing interest rate hikes. Um, Anywhere from half a percentage point all the way up to a full percentage point. It's kind of been a consensus that 0.75 will be the number, but in either case, it's going to affect all markets from stock markets to crypto um, across the board. So we're looking at Ethereum and what we can expect. Now, we've had a recent run since the 15th all the way up. Now, a lot of people are calling this a double bottom and thinking we've seen the worst for crypto and that we can truly start moving in the upward direction. But I just got this formation that it's a traditional um, kind of thing that traditional traders kind of mark up that I've been paying attention to. You kind of see this where price has lower highs, um, and without higher lows, it's going to be trouble breaking out of this. So I would expect a low around this moving average. We're way above it. When I trade, I like to sell above the moving average and buy below. So if we could hold this moving average here, this is a daily chart. So again, it would be really bullish to go ahead and break this resistance and flip it into support. So that's one scenario to finish this day, close above this last wick, possibly even start the day above this resistance, kind of break out and then have a retest out here. But a retracement is coming. So if it happens before this resistance, it could be back to this moving average. Now, if this doesn't hold and we test this floor again, well, we've tested 1, 2, and 3. So I feel like another 1 or 2 tests here will lead to a break to the downside. So when we do these breakouts, I want to show the two possibilities that I'm looking at. So a breakout to the upside, we see this whole resistance forming from these levels. And so a breakout from where we are here, I could see Ethereum breaking out to maybe 4,000. Is that 4,000? Wow. A breakout to retest the previous all-time highs. Now, that's a real bullish case scenario. I would think we'd have some resistance here along the way. We've had sell-offs at 2,400, and we've had other sell-offs here at 1,600. So either way, if we do keep moving to the upside, I feel like there is resistance to slow the price down closer to this $2,000 range. But that just would be bullish to get out of this triangle and move in any other direction. If we were the same scenario to the downside, would be to come back to retest this bottom. And if we couldn't hold that floor, then eventually coming back to this 382 level. So to me, those are the two scenarios: back to retest all-time highs, or down to retest the floor and see where that can truly be. Now, if I look at history, because again, I don't think there's so many people who are bullish in Ethereum right now. It's hard to believe that they'll let the price fall that low. Thank you for that history. I'll go here, and that's looking like the $600 level, which would be the next major test. And I think maybe that can, slow the momentum down. But if it can't, that next resistance could be under 3. So maybe here at 445, 450 could be. I do want to just see how that line got on the chart. And here's these previous support levels. Let me move this up a bit to show that. So this 480 level got defended and retested. So we could come back to retest that level for sure, I believe, to give everyone who's in so much profit a chance to lock in their losses or hold for the next move. And down here, I think this is just a huge buy support to where everyone is going to be getting in to push their price up, moving higher. So that's Ethereum. Thanks for watching BLAKC Crypto. And if you haven't, blakcinc.com for anything you might need. I'm out.